How to build a website in 30 seconds using AI. Today I will show you a great AI tool that can help you build your website very quickly and easily, alongside some other tools that can generate articles, blog posts, stuff like that for your website using AI. Let's begin. So the first tool I'm going to show you is called Durable. To head to their website, just Google durable.co. I will provide their link in the description of this video to make it easier for you. Anyways, the developers of this tool claim that they can build a website in 30 seconds with AI. Here, they say they generated over 1 million websites. And if you scroll down, it says right here that this tool will get your business online in 3 clicks. And then you can effortlessly customize your site, so then you will be able to start marketing right away. As they have AI copywriting, SEO, analytics, and simple CRM tools. Alright, so in order to get started, you have to have an account. Click on sign in on the top right, then click sign up, assuming you don't have an account yet. Click on get started, then Durable will ask you what type of business are you building. Simply fill in the box with the right type of business idea you're trying to launch with your website. For example, I just chose marketing. After that, click on next. They will ask you what's the name of your business. If you already have a name for your website, you can type it right here. But if you don't, just click on see some suggestions. Boom, it generated me 3 options right here, 3 names I can choose from. This tool is great because even if you're stuck with coming up with a cheeky brand name, it will actually help you with that. For the sake of this video, I'm going to name my website Press Like on the video.
Nice.
Yeah, you actually have to because the next part will be awesome. It can take some seconds to generate the entirety of your website, but it shouldn't take long. Also, before you can edit anything or publish your site, it will ask you to now sign up with your email and password. This website that this AI created is just an example. I'm not gonna do an in-depth customization on this video. If you did not like the initial design that Durable gave your website, you can always click on regenerate, and it will regenerate the parts you did not like. The fact that you don't have to have a degree in computer science or have expertise in coding or programming to make a website is mind-blowing. Like I just did not write any line of code or did any customization myself. I just clicked on a few buttons and bam, my website is ready. You can also add stuff to your website like some banners, some images, some videos, or if you have a text to add onto it. You can also add your contact form in your social media accounts, and if you want to change the header of your website, click on edit website header. If you have made a logo for your business, click on replace company name with logo, and then upload the logo file onto this section right here. Like I said, I'm not gonna mess with settings a lot in this video, as this website is just a pure example to show how Durable works. Now, if you have everything ready, click on publish your website and get a free custom domain name right here on the bottom of the screen. It will ask you to pick a plan. You have 2 options. You can choose the annual plan and get 20% off, or choose the monthly plan. Also, each plan has a starter option and business option. For example, with the starter one, you will have custom domain name, chat onboarding, email support, unlimited storage, 50 contacts, 50 AI generated promotions, website hosting, etc. On the other hand, with the business option that costs $8 more, you will have premier custom domain name, on-call onboarding, priority support, unlimited storage, unlimited contacts, unlimited AI generated promotions, alongside these starter benefits like website hosting, analytics, SSL certificate, access to free stock images, and search engine optimization. Now, depending on your budget, choose the right plan that suits you. You'll find yourself on the payment page, and once you click on subscribe, you will have a domain name for your website, alongside a hosting server to host your site. Usually prior to this, you would have to sign up for a domain name with one service, then pay for hosting on a different other service provider. Now you can just, with a few clicks, make your website, launch your website with a custom domain name, and then host it. Alright, now that you have launched your website, depending on the niche you chose, depending on the business type of the site you have, we can use some AI tools to fill this website with automatic generated content. This is mainly for people who want to make a blog type website. This is not a sell products type of a website. We're not gonna use ChatGPT for this one, as I assume you already know how it works. Instead, we're gonna use a tool called Writesonic. Let's say for example your website is in the tennis niche. It's just a random example, and you want to fill it up with articles, blog posts that have high quality SEO keywords. Just head out to writesonic.com. Here you can make an account, I already have one, so I'll just click sign in. After you made an account, you'll find yourself here on the main menu. Press AI article write 4.0, and now for the topic, just write any topic for a blog post you have in mind. I just typed facts about tennis as an example. Hit search keywords, and one cool feature about this tool is that it will generate SEO keywords for your blog alongside how much advertisers are willing to pay for that keyword. The topic of tennis might not be good, so I'm going to change it actually to how to make money online. Alright, that's better. If you don't have a specific idea for your post, you can press on Get Ideas. It will give you ideas based on the keywords generated. Just copy the top keywords that Writesonic gave you and paste them here. And there you go. It gave me a bunch of cool blog post ideas that I can choose from. I'm just gonna skip ahead to the juicy stuff for now. Press on Get Article, fill up the title with your idea or with the idea that this tool generated for you. Fill up the keywords section with SEO tags and keywords generated as well. Choose the tone of the voice. Call to action just to make me a 500-word article post with images using keywords. And also just add at least 4 outlines to make the text organized and stuff like that. Hit generate article and then boom. As you can see, it generated me an entire article with images, etc. You can then copy this article and paste it on your website and start having a passive income from AdSense blogging using AI. But keep in mind though, this text is probably going to be detected by AI detectors. Let me know in the comments if you want me to give you a solution so that way your text will not be detected even though it is AI generated. Now, the real question is this. Will tools like Durable and Writesonic replace humans in coding, developing, and writing? Will these artificial intelligence tools actually get real programmers and writers out of their business? I'd say with the speedy advancement of AI these days, in the future, it is possible that tools like Durable and Writesonic could replace programmers and writers in certain contexts. For example, businesses that rely heavily on content creation could use these tools to generate articles, blog posts, and marketing copy at a much faster pace than human writers ever could. Similarly, software developers could use these tools to generate code for routine tasks, freeing up human developers to focus on more complex and strategic programming challenges. So yeah, while these tools could actually help us out, they maybe will cause a little unemployment problem in the future. Who knows really? That's it for today guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Also please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.